time. The oxidation is the iron, with just one electron given off, and that's balanced. The reduction is the nitrate going to NO, so we have to add the waters and the hydrogen, 3 electrons. Yeah? Multiply the top one through by 3 to get 3 electrons. This is our net ionic equation balance. How do you get this, though, from there to putting coefficients in there? This is where we have to add the spectator ions back in. Okay, now here's how we do this. Are you ready for this part? I don't want to go ahead and have people say, oh, I couldn't follow.
You activated okay. You said, okay, are you ready for this part?
Is that right?
Yeah. Oh, wow, dear.
Wait, why do you separate
It's a miracle, dear.
iron and
Okay.
Because it was aqueous.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh.
The chlorine's not part of the iron right now. It's not attached to it. So I leave it out.
Oh. Okay, so chlorine is like considered spectator ion.
Yes, it's chlorine, because it didn't change. It was iron that was present, not attached to the iron, and it didn't change. It did not oxidize or reduce. So it just does nothing.
Where did it?
So this is the net ionic. This is only including the things that changed. Chlorides didn't change, so they're out of it. Something else didn't change. No, I guess that was the only thing. Now we have to add the spectators back in. Those chlorides ion, we have to add them back in. Chloride ions. What that means is this. The iron 2, every one of those had 2 chlorides to go with it. Now watch carefully. There are 3 iron 2s. That's right. We need to add 6 chloride ions back so that we can make 3 FeCl2s. Now when you add 6 Cls to this side, you have to account for them over here too. Now would they go with NO? No. Would they go with water? No. Would they go with the iron plus 3? Yeah, because it was FeCl3. So I need to add those 6 Cls on that side as well.
Wait, but then.
Now there's 3 iron plus 3s.
Yeah.
6 Cls isn't quite enough, is it? How many Cls do I need? All right, I need 9. If I have 3 positive 3 Fes, I need 9 Cls to balance the charges. I only had 6 that I added because I had 6 there. What do I do? Do I change that to a 9?
You just add plus 3.
Yeah, I add another 3. That means I have to add another 3 Cls over here.
Oh, you changed. Oh, okay.
Wait, but then you have to.
Where would they go?
FeCl.
Look at this. Yeah, there are Cls in more than one place. Put 3 of them on the H. There are 4 H's over here, so put 3 of them together with the chloride ions.
I'm done.
Now, so I added 9 chlorides over there total. I've added 9 chlorides over here. So that took out of the 4 H's that I had balanced, 3 of the 4 go with that. The other one
The other was the NaOH.
goes with the NO3. Yeah. It's so
NaOH.
good. I love it the way that it always works out like
Why'd you
that.
say NaOH?
Yeah.
So, what are the coefficients? The coefficients are these. There are 3 HCl's, because remember I had to put the 3 Cl's on the H's. There's 1 HNO3. There's 3 FeCl2s. That was the 6 chlorides. There's 3 of those. There were the 9 chlorides over there. And then how many NOs? Just 1. And then 2 waters. Ah, so good.
That's so beautiful. Wow.
That's that's the whole show. There's nothing else that you'll have to worry about.
Oh, that's just it.
So there's 14 for you to do on, well, 13 now for you to do on your own.
Oh yeah. You just did one for us. Yay. Whoa.
You'll notice that when we look at the calendar, we're very close to being done now with Chapter 4. The Chapter 4 quiz, however, is not until Thursday.
Of next week.
Thursday next week. What we're going to do is we're going to cover a couple of days of Chapter 5 to give you a couple extra days to do the problems and ask questions. That doesn't mean a couple extra days to put off doing the problems. Please.
Chapter 5 will also be on the
No, it's just the Chapter 4 quiz. We're just going to overlap to give you a couple extra days.
It's a 2 quizzes and then it's
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you do bad,
Karthik. Woo! Chris.
Karthik.